Alright folks, welcome to the host that never sleeps. Welcome to the show. Welcome back folks. We're going to wire this Les Paul up today, partially wire it up. I ordered the screws we need for the pickups, but they haven't come in yet. They should be in, I'm thinking, Monday. This is Friday. No, today's Saturday. I don't know when you'll see this. It'll be later on. You might see it on Saturday. Anyways, all that aside, still waiting on the screws. So we're not going to wire the pickups up, but I am going to wire the pots up and the tongue cap, maybe the jack, and have that much ready for when the screws arrive. So let's jump right into it. Here's the wiring diagram that came with those pots. Eric C, thanks for the link to all those pots, everything you need to wire up a Les Paul. I'll just hold that up there and let you all look at it. I'm not going to wire that way. That's got your both tone pots on the bottom and both volume pots on the top. I want the two front ones to be volume and the two rear ones to be the tone. So I'm not going to wire it. I want to use what's known as the Schartiger wiring diagram 2. I don't know if y'all's familiar with that or not. I don't have a schematic of it. I just know it in my head. So anyways, that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to start with these two pots right here. Probably won't even put them in the guitar tonight, but at least get the solder on them. I got to ground a couple lugs, or one lug on each pot. I got 4 of them. I ground one lug on each pot. I might put the tongue cap in. I'm not sure yet. We'll do that tonight. But I want to get solder on all those lugs I'm going to use, and then when we do get ready to put the wires in, the solder will be there. And I got to go get flux. I just now remembered it's not in here, so hold on. I'll be right back. We are in a terribly cramped up bind here. I've already did that one. Well, all I'm doing here now, one of these lugs I have to bend down here the way I'm going to do this. And I'm going to solder it right to the ground. And I'm just hitting it with a file, the lug and the pot ground, casing, whatever you want to call it. And we will put a little bit of flux on that. And that'll keep it from oxidizing over time. I might as well go ahead and use these two. I done did the other pot. The flux this will make a better, cleaner connection, and the flux, like I say, will keep it from oxidizing over the long haul. Plus it'll make the solder stick better too. Like I say, I already did that one. I do want to bend that one down to touch I get it as close as I can. And there we go. We just want to get solder on those. It'd be easier to put them in this thing. To hold it. Hold them. Hold on. That thing is tight, man. I guess that's good though, right? Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see it okay. Alright. I might go ahead and put the tone cap in there. It's going to run from here, this lug, to the center one here. Main thing I'm going to do right now is get these grounds soldered and get solder on every lug. So let me fire up the soldering on here. I'll bring you back. It's going to take just a few minutes to heat up. I got I'll show you the soldering station right here. Soldering's got a hot air gun. There we go. And I'll bring you back as soon as that thing heats up a little bit. I'm taking this small file, and I'm scraping all of the lugs just for a better connection. And then putting on a little bit of flux. And the flux, like I say, it keeps any oxidation down, you know, to a minimal over the long haul. Boy, that file really digs in, man. It really does a number. I hope you can see. Yeah, I think you can. Get that center on a little bit more. There we go. Now, this is the lug we're going to bend down and ground. So I want to rough this area up here. Put a little flux on that. And on the lugs. There we go. I'm not worried about how far apart or how close they're going to be right now. Just going to get solder on all the holes and crap. You want a pretty good gob of solder right here too, because there's going to be some other things connected up here. Grounds from the pickups. So, you know, you want a pretty good gob of solder on that. I doubt you can see shit where you are. Not any on there yet. Alright. Come on, man. There we go. That'll hold it until we can get more on it. I just want to get this one through that center lug. Hopefully without too much shit. Wow, when you shake like I do, man. Didn't used to shake like that when I went to college for this stuff. I didn't have this problem then. Sure got it now, though. Let me get it through here a little bit before it sets up. I'd like to see about, I'm going to leave myself a little bit of room. 2 1/4 inches is about what they are. Yeah, there we are, 2 1/2 again, same as the other time. So let's solder that puppy. And the bear's trying to bite me. Surprise Earl's not here and got his tongue in the bear's mouth. He goes at it every now and again with the bear. It wouldn't hurt to have that soldering iron maybe just a little bit hotter. We got it on 333 degrees. That should be enough. Should be more than enough. Wow, bring down the. There we go. Yeah. think. It's a done deal. Tin that puppy. Wow, it's so hard to solder when you shake like this. I'm not taking a chance on getting burned. Two things I hate, man, is getting burned and getting shocked. Yeah, I can live with just about everything else. To get burned and get shocked, I don't like it. Alright, let's put it in the guitar and see what it looks like. Still got to run wires to the switch. Alright, well, let's flip this baby over. And hopefully you can see there okay. Try to get that in the center of the screen as much as possible. These have nuts here, so you can expose however much you want exposed on the other side. It's an awfully tight fit. It's going in there, but it's tight. I'm going to roll with that for right now, for the time being, but it sure is tight fitting in those holes. Wow, that looks just about perfect. So I cranked them in just a little bit more than what they were. The body's pretty thick right there where these go through. Thicker than you might think. I wanted them to stick up far enough to get these nuts installed. I'm just going to tighten these hand tight for right now. And when the pickup screws come in, we'll stick those babies in there and wire them up. Just hand tight for now. They don't need to be tight either. If you get them too tight, you crack the finish. Just like I was talking about on the those nuts that go over the pegs up on the peg head. Get them too tight, you crack the finish. Or I'm not going to crack the finish, tighten them in hand tight, but I'm just saying, you know. And I want to ask your guys' opinion on something. And I'll probably go with whatever you say. I've got to find the knobs first. Come on, there we go. Fingerprints all over this guitar again. I cleaned it up good before I started. Alright. Well, hold on. I gotta get more knobs. I don't have them all out here. I'm gonna ask your opinion on something. Hold on. What do you think about knobs? Here's the those are the ones usually used on the Les Paul. One of you guys told me about these from China. They're the same thing, only you got the skull head in the middle, poison emblem or whatever. And I ordered 4 of them for like, I think a $2.98 or something like that. I don't know how they sell them that cheap. Sumac sells these for like $4 per knob, man. And I ordered 4 of these with the skull head on them for a couple bucks or 3 maybe. I don't remember. Thank you, whoever he was, told me about these. Ordered them from China. I don't know how they make any money at all on that. But what do you think? I like these personally. I shouldn't tell you this, but I like those better. But I'll do whatever you guys decide. If you like these better, say so. What do you think it ought to get? Put in the comments below which you prefer, and I'll probably go with that. By the way, this, I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not, right there. That little puppy is a ground wire that goes up to the bridge and the tailpiece, and everything's going to be grounded. That's going to go here where I was saying earlier, to leave a large chunk of solder on that ground, because you're going to have to come back there and several times, you know, add stuff to it. I'm going to add the pickup grounds once we get the screws, mount the pickups, and The switch is going to have to run to these pots into the jack down here, right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. So there you go. Hold on. So there you go, folks. 500K pots wired in, ready to make noise. And cue balls come to deliver a message to you. I don't know if we'll do anything else this guitar or not before the pickups come in. They should be here Monday. Today's Saturday. I think they'll be here Monday and we'll get on with it. They say something else between now and then. Who knows? I ain't see anything on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Alright, Q. This is your moment. Tell them. Say, we love you. What? Your nose running? Tell them, say, we love you. How's that? We love you. What? Now tell the YouTube family, we love you. What? Oh, no. Go on, tell them.